In this lesson, we're going to look at another example of the if-else if statement. We're going to take numeric scores and assign them letter grades. We'll prompt the user to enter a numeric grade, and then we'll assign the appropriate letter grade. 90 and above is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, and so on and so forth. So we'll start out first by creating a couple of variables, a grade and a letter grade. Then we're going to prompt the user to enter a numeric grade. Then we'll get that grade from the console. And we'll write if grade is greater than or equal to 90 and grade is less than or equal to 100. We don't necessarily even need that. Letter grade is equal to A. Else if grade is greater than or equal to 80 and grade is less than or equal to 89. Letter grade is equal to B. Before I keep going, let me point out that I'm not using curly braces to delimit the block in this particular example because I only have one statement. When you have one statement, you don't need curly braces around that block. It would be for two or more statements. Sometimes you just put them anyway, but I wanted to demonstrate that you can write if-else ifs without using statement blocks explicitly when it's only going to be one statement. So now we're on to the C grade. Now we're on to D. And then finally, anything else, any other numeric grade will be an F. So then we'll write a little prompt to the user to let them know what the grade is. Now we're ready to test it and see if it works. So let's try a middle C, 75. That's right. Let's run it again. Let's try 99. That letter grade is an A, that's correct. Let's do it one more time. Pull it down where you can see a little bit better. And let's do a 45. Let me scroll out where you can look at it a little bit better. You might notice that the AND part of these relational expressions is not really needed. For example, if I take this out, anything greater than or equal to 90 is going to be an A, so we don't have to put it in the range. And likewise, if I take out this range, and this range, and this, we should get the same effect, so let's give it a try. Let's try 75. That's a C. Let's run it again. Let's try 99. That's an A. Let's do a D this time. 64. This would be the preferable way to write the letter grade program without the ANDs. I was mostly just demonstrating how AND works in a relational expression, but we don't actually need it in this case. The if-else if should always be used when you have a structured problem like this, where you have several related choices. And with that, we're ready to move to the first exercise in this chapter.